winter came, froze me, I could feel no pain. Shows me that music is all I know. I just gotta keep up with the flow. And mama's worried that the heating bill's too high. Gotta keep my itty bitty toes warm and dry. Wish I could say warm in bed, ain't gonna lie, but this little birdie here has got to fly. So if you keep doing that all too familiar, then you gotta hit yourself with a new set of feels. And I don't wanna go back to selling your product. I got my own and I can't get stuck. So come with the snow and the sleet and the rain. I go right with it, just waiting for the sun. I gotta dip in and out of hibernation. Can't tell you what I see, but I know my destination. Driving my car, windows frost. I can't see what's ahead of me. Driving my car, wind blows hard. I can't see what's ahead of me. I see you in my world, but I can't see what's ahead of me. I see you in my world, but I can't see what's ahead of me.
It's cold outside, I'm about to stall. A creek to a crawl, a tea to a shawl. Raise your hands, give it up for Miss Paul. Speaks her mind, truth be told. Spend my days layered in clothes. Went out in a blizzard and my face straight froze. Can't wait for spring and all she grows. Forget February, hoe just blows. Stuck in my house, I'm ready to roll. If I lived under a bridge, I'd be ready to troll. Close my eyes, from a grassy knoll. Forget about the cold and snow patrol. Driving my car, I ain't seen my car. It's under a drift as high as the stars. Give me a lift, take me real far. Just me, the kid, and my guitar.
Driving my car, windows frost. I can't see what's ahead of me. Driving my car, wind blows hard. I can't see what's ahead of me. I see you in my world, but I can't see what's ahead of me. I see you in my world, but I can't see what's ahead of me.
See what's ahead of me.
But I can't see what's ahead of me.
See what's ahead of me.